Can a family member make turmeric Ganapati when one does Ganapati Tarpanam? You know the answer. Anybody can make. But then the reason, the Bhavana is important. You know, in Bharata, Mahabharata, Dhritarashtra wanted to hug Bhima, not out of love, to crush him. He was angry that his son was killed. Then Krishna sends a big statue of iron in place of Bhima. And Dhritarashtra hugs and the whole statue gets powdered. Then he cries, "Oh my God, I killed Bhima." No. So the hugging is an action. The bhavana is more important. You hug with the love or you hug with anger. Here, anybody can do a Ganapati icon. But are you asking them out of laziness? Or you prepare everything, I'm busy, I can just only come and put the water. Well, then you do the Ganapati icon. But as a project, common project, if you both, she does the Ganapati Tarpanam or your child the Ganapati icon and you do that, perfect. Anybody can. It's a feeling that is more important, not the action. Every action is used by the God, not by action, but the feeling of, that's why Bhavana Maatre Namaha. That means I take concern of your bhavana, feeling only, not the action. You just do namaskaram without any bhakti. Is it counted as namaskaram? No way. And you don't do namaskaram and you look at that Guru with adherence like this. Wow. When can I merge with you? Why don't you come and stay with me inside? You don't do any namaskaram. People may think, wow, he's very arrogant. He didn't fall on his feet. He didn't do namaskaram. No. The Guru knows that, let's say, and he smiles. So this bhavana is more important. If that adoration is there, anybody can do.